Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Bank Ganstrich online banking account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.sec.bankgantrisch.ch and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page of Bank Ganstrich. You'll need to type in your contact number or your registered username in the first text box. Your username will be the email that you registered while signing up for the internet banking account. And now, on the next field, type in your correct password. If you've forgotten your email or your password, you can get help by clicking on this forgotten link in order to look for your credential or to reset your password. Finally, after you are done, click the login button in order to get access to your Bank Ganstrich online banking account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.